Okay, y'all know your girl loves me some free assembly, and it looks like they got some new stuff. Now, I don't know how new this stuff is, to be honest with you, because I don't remember seeing this. But I thought I saw it in red. Now, I see a red skirt, but I don't think this is it flare out? Let me see. Oh, yeah, it does flare out, too. I couldn't do the red and white. That's giving tablecloth vibes too much. But, and now, do they all flare out? Yes, they all flare out. But this one is cute. And then they got the shirt to match. I don't think that I would need a double XL in the skirt. But, I do have options, actually. Because here it is in double XL. I mean, XL versus double XL. Let me put this one back. Now, what is this supposed to go with? Because I would have loved to have a skirt to match this one. You know what I mean? I know they're not saying put the red with it, because that ain't gonna be right. Nah, you wouldn't do that, would you? You wouldn't do that. No. It's cute though. I did want to see what this is real quick. This is also free assembly. Yeah, I knew this was gonna be on sale because this has been out for quite some time. This skirt with these little details all over it. Hold on, let me put it on so you can see it better. It's okay, but yeah, no, this is not something that I would be interested in, especially for $21. I think that's a bit much. Now, these plaid skirts went all the way down to $8, right? I don't know how much they're hitting for now, but let's check it out. Where's my phone at? My little trusty little phone. Okay, let's see. No, they want 17 for it. And then 25 online. So y'all, they done lost their rabbit mind, because what I'm not gonna do is pay 20 nothing or 17 nothing for something that you was offering for $8 not too long ago. This one's saying 17 as well. Let's just double check to see if they're serious. Like, y'all for real? Yes, child. 17 in the store. Child, they not trying to sell this. They not trying to sell it at all. Moving right along. Now, this is something else that I have not seen, but here's the thing. I don't know how much this is gonna stretch. Oh, you know what? It will stretch. It's an extra large. It's not stretchy material, but it has this elastic band. That don't mean I can get it on. But this is cute though. I like this. I am not for sure what it's supposed to go with. I wish they had something to match it, but it's really, really cute. I wouldn't put it with that, but I wonder would I put it with something like this. Oh no. Oh, he's singing. No, I wouldn't put it with that either. Huh. This may be a no, because yeah, it's cute though. Y'all like this skirt? It's just a little pleated skirt. And here's the thing about a pleated skirt. They kind of everywhere, and they're a little bit more fashionable on TikTok for like $16. I'm sure they 20 something here. I probably would not do this, but it is cute. I also thought that this dress was really cute. Right? Hold on, let me get this off of here. All in the way. Okay. Yeah, I think this will be cute because I bet you it kind of hunches up on the sides. I think that's cute. Let me see how much this dress is. It's long though. Now, of course, you would have to wear something under it because right now it's cold outside. So while we wearing this type of stuff, I don't know right now. Y'all, I'm just cold. Ooh, child, it's $34. They want some cash for that one. I'll see. It's cute though. And then this is a cardigan for $21. Huh. It's a little steep. Like I said, I mean, I'm okay with the $21, don't get me wrong, but that's been sitting here for a while. It's almost like this, if it's clearance, it should go down, 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 in my opinion. Now, I do not know how much these are, but this is my type of style. I like this. These are $21, but they're $19 online, so I can definitely tag this for you. This is cute, and they go all the way up to triple XL. Now, of course, I like it in the navy blue. Yes, it's clearance 20. Oh, this seems short though, because it say a triple XL on the hanger. What do it say on the tag? Girl, this is a small. I hate when they do that. They so silly. silly acting. Put the right tag or the right hanger. Look, that's a large on a 2X hanger. They just want me to get in the fitting room and be all mad and hot and ready to go off on somebody for no reason. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at that though. Somebody wiped the floor with it. Dang, that would have been cute though. I like that one. Let's see, what is this one? Not defective? No. So how much is this one? Because this got the little grommets on the side. I love that. 17, and it's out of stock online, so you can't even get it online in a double XL maybe. Now these pants seem like they're going to be fair, okay, because they look like they're wide enough. These are also free assembly. Now let's see, because I see some double XL hangers, but it don't mean that it's on the right hanger. Okay, no, these big. These big, baby. Yep, these are double XL, size 20. And then it has the, where did my thing go? One more. It has the tag on it. So, okay, it's $26. That's not too bad. I'm actually okay with that. So these are really cute. So I finally got some bottoms that I can try something on with, because what drives me crazy is when I can't find nothing to wear with half of the stuff because they only go up to a size 16. And I can't squeeze my butt into no 16 now. But that's a pretty good deal though. $26 for a pair of, like, these seem like they'll be comfortable as well. I will let you know. But y'all, the rest of this is gonna be scoop. And I cannot fit scoop, unfortunately. I can't fit their jeans. So there's that. But wishful thinking. I guess the jeans are gonna be like $21. Probably. I don't know why this keeps cutting off on me. I'm watching my purse, y'all, so don't even worry. Oh no, them was $30 for them. Ooh, child. They lied and put it on clearance for nothing. They still got free assembly jeans for $19. Remember, I bought my granddaughter some barrel jeans for only $8. So yeah, I just can't let you get by charging me something that's not, you know, not what you was charging just 2 weeks ago. Okay, but y'all, I'm determined to find this. Here's an extra large. I don't know if that's something that I could wear, but I'm willing to try it. There's a large. Here is another large, extra large. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get the double XL like I thought. I can't believe they did me like that, but it is what it is, y'all. We're gonna try it on an extra large, and if I can't fit it, I better not hear nothing in the comments, okay? All right, y'all. Let me find a shirt real quick to go with. These are $21 for this. I was wanting to know what this looked like. No, I don't want bulky at the top. These are cute though. I also don't like all that feedback on it. What is all that for? Is that from the gray sweater? I do not like that. But I wouldn't mind trying on something like this. Let's do this one in an extra large and try it on with the blue jeans, y'all. Okay. And this one is surprisingly $12, whether it's online or not, y'all. All right, y'all, off to the fitting room. Y'all, before I go to the fitting room, why would this not be in my size? This is so cute. Now they do have the tops in my size, but the bottoms, we only gonna go to a 16. I can't fit these. Do they stretch at all? It does not. I mean, just a tiny bit. But dang, if it was in a 20, I can get it. I like that though. It's giving Valentine's Day flavor. We'll see how much it is though. Just for all y'all that slim and trim and ready to rock the latest Walmart fashion. $32 for the top. And then they're gonna put the big girl on the thing. Child, she can't fit that. Y'all AI'd that on her. $28 for the pants. I don't know why they doing all this, the dirt and stuff like that. But y'all, okay, I'm for real this time. We're going to the fitting room. Now I'm over here by the fitting room. There ain't no attendant as usual, but they leave the doors open, just so y'all know. For the last girl that tried me and got checked real well, these doors wide open. Okay, so
Y'all see how I almost made that one false move and lean to the side? This too short. I can't. Wait. Now that one I can't feel my panties, so this one is not gonna work. I'm so sorry, but I didn't like it anyway. Moving on. Y'all, this one, this one's cute. Now look, they have this print too, right? In this, I would never. This is cute. It's comfortable. It's not that scuba knit material, but it's cool. It's like just regular Hanes sweatshirt, sweatpants material. But again, it's really, really cool. I like it. I think it's cute. It definitely fits. I wish it had pockets in the shirt too, to where it would be stopping right here. I wish that was going on. But it's just pockets right here. And it works. And then it has the string is functional. Not that it needs to be tightened. I'm just letting you know. You can get a bigger pair and tighten it up. But this is really cute. I love that. I love how it sits in the bag too. Y'all see that? I like how it sits right here. You can lift it up too, but no, I like that. Super, super cute. Alright, y'all. So I didn't find pants to try on with this or this, and I'm not going to make you sit through me trying it on with this, even though that might be kind of cute. It does not match. But y'all, just know that those are really, really cute too. But y'all, that's it. Bye-bye.